Hello guys, today I have got the MARSHALL HESTON 60 and I'm going to show you how to create your own equalizer preset. At first you need to install the application. This application is called MARSHALL. Here scroll down till you see Equalizer. Tap it and now you can manage all the frequencies right there. 100 is here, 270 Hz is here, 800 Hz is here, 2.4 kHz is here, and 4.2 is here. If you want to reset it, you can tap here reset to default. You don't need to save anything, just go back and you've got here custom. I don't know why we can't have this presets, like we don't have presets pre-made, but we can create our own equalizer preset. Good.